Is Google taking our information? Is TikTok selling our information?
These are software engineers coding for the biggest companies in the world. And I'm gonna be spending the day with them to see what their lifestyle is and find out if Google and TikTok are actually stealing people's information. Starting off the day, I met up with a TikTok software engineer and headed to the TikTok office. But first, I wanted to ask him what exactly he does.
What do you handle in the For You page?
Mainly like promoting shop content.
Is this coding or what is this?
This is our like infrastructure platform. So we use this to like kind of monitor our services, check logs, do things like that.
For the TikTok app.
Right.
The one that everyone uses.
Yes, right. Right.
Sorry, I'm just like...
I can't show exactly what Armand's doing because I'm gonna get him fired, but it's really cool that he's coding for the TikTok shop, part of the TikTok app that we all use. And after 15 minutes of him working, he wanted to give me a quick TikTok office tour.
See, like literally nobody's here.
Any of these are you can sit
You
on?
can just like pick a desk and sit there. We have like dedicated section for our teams.
These are nice monitors.
Yeah, they are. These are like
Standing up desks too?
yeah. Oh yeah, absolutely, of course. Yeah.
Damn, TikTok be plugging you guys up.
Next up, he wanted to show me the views that he typically gets in the TikTok office.
He's trying to show me the best view right now. I'm like, oh my god, look at this. But, dude, this is insane. How old are you, by the way?
I'm 26.
Damn, bro, you're young.
Yeah. Pretty young. Yeah.
Not gonna lie, seeing the actual code was interesting. However, the TikTok office was just a normal office. Unlike the Google office later on the video, since I'm also spending a day with a veteran Google software engineer, genuinely because I'm trying to find out if these companies are stealing information as the news outlets make it seem like they do, and actually seeing how these software engineers live in their day.
We just got out of the TikTok office. The office, there's an actual mall, like right next to it.
It's like connected. We're going on the Skybridge right now to go over here.
Yeah, he has to return something like that he bought on his own. Unintentionally, I was looking at some other of your coworker screens.
Right.
The code was in Chinese. Is that normal?
It's not normal at like most US companies, but yeah, obviously with ByteDance being like a Chinese company, we do like collaborate with engineers in China. So sometimes they'll have like code comments in Chinese. As employees, we kind of use translation tools. But yeah, obviously I don't know Chinese. I'm not a Mandarin.
Yeah. I was like, damn, they're coding Chinese, bro. That's crazy, bro.
Okay, there's no such thing as coding in Chinese. Code is code. What you're seeing is like the code comments above it, like explain.
Sorry, bro, I'm not a coder. I don't know.
Yeah.
Also, did you went to college, right? Obviously.
I went to college in Texas at UT Austin. So I didn't study computer science. I studied
Wait, what?
Yeah. No, I studied electrical and computer engineering, but I didn't study CS. Yeah.
Really?
To be a software engineer, what it really comes down to is like learning things very quickly and being able to solve problems that you've never seen before. That's kind of all it is.
How many hours do you work per week?
Usually the work-life balance at TikTok is not the greatest, but I'm fortunate enough to be on a great team where I'd say I work on average 40 to 50 hours, so pretty standard. Yeah.
Honestly, yeah, that's not...
Yeah. Once Armand returned his stuff, we met up with one of his coworkers from TikTok, and I asked him a couple questions.
This is Armand's friend. Wait, what's your name again?
Martin.
Manny.
That's Manny, nice to meet you.
Are you in the shop too, or
No,
do you
I
focus
work on ads. I'm particularly on the front end side, so whatever you see on the screen, that's...
What does that mean though? Like,
So whatever you see on the screen, whatever the user experience is, that's what I focus on.
How do you like your job? Yeah.
It's very, very challenging. It's very fast-paced. It's like working at a startup. But at the same time, I also need to understand everything is connected to the back end. So just facilitating all of that to tailor a great user experience. That's kind of like the scope of my work.
The next thing Armand does as a software engineer after his visit to the TikTok office, he goes back home, which is only a 5-minute walk.
And then we went for a walk. All right, guys, it's 4:20. Off camera, you wanted to show me something as related to what you do as a software engineer at TikTok.
Yeah. So let me show you. So I just want to show you like kind of the features that I'm building and kind of the output of the work that I've done. I'm gonna go to TikTok Studio, which everyone has on their TikTok account.
And sorry to interrupt you.
I'm gonna tell you guys about Free Cash, the sponsor of the video. Free Cash is a website that helps you make money by literally playing video games. Games such as Monopoly Go, Raid Shadow Legends, which are two of my favorite games that I've been playing over the last week actually, and I've gotten decent good money literally playing video games. Within TikTok Shop for Creator, this is after you applied for TikTok Shop, you can kind of see a bunch of different things like the products that you can promote on your TikTok, learn about how to create good content. This is literally the result of what he does as a software engineer. Every single one of you guys has a phone. It was literally one of the easiest process I've ever done in my life. Email, password, then you're in. Then you want to follow the directions of each campaign. Bro, college students, obviously I dropped out, but when I was a college student, I literally was so broke. If I had free cash, I would honestly be safe. So your team and you were doing coding, the coding for this, what you're
Exactly,
showing me.
for this.
So this is what you did.
Right, exactly.
Wow, on Studio. So this is like, oh wow, this is actually pretty cool.
So I personally worked on, for example, the displaying of these videos and kind of this whole back-end feature as well as this product marketplace. But yeah, I just wanted to show you kind of the actual product that we worked on.
With that being said, link is in the description. Start getting paid by playing games. What did you have to do to get this job as a software engineer, right? Thankfully, he's able to show me what he had to do as one of the tests.
To get into TikTok, I had to solve a bunch of leak code problems, and this is kind
I
of
see triangles there.
the objective of this is you want to like swap the numbers.
So how do you solve it though? Did you already solve it?
I can solve this in a minute, but it might be hard. But let's see. I'm blanking. Let me think.
No, you're good. Take your time, dude. I'm here for it.
Because this is one solution, but I want to think of like a different solution. This is what I was trying to think of, but basically, yeah, the recursive approach. Because what I was showing earlier was like the recursive approach. So that's like
The recursive approach?
right, exactly. Like back
Bro,
in the
this is awesome looking at this stuff. Oh wait, this is like the stuff you did to get into TikTok.
day. Right, exactly.
Oh shit.
yeah, solving these sorts of problems. But yeah, this is kind of
Wait, did you mess up or was the code itself like
yeah, I messed
faulty?
up. The code was faulty. Exactly.
The code was faulty.
So it didn't pass all of the test cases. So that's why.
Wait, all right. I do have a question. So the TikTok algorithm. Do you know how like the algorithm is code? It's not like an AI, or is it AI?
Yeah, it is AI. Yeah, it uses machine learning
Are you serious?
algorithms. Yeah.
Oh, that's how it knows something like that.
Right. That's how it recommends you content based on your profile and everything.
And one more question. Is TikTok selling our information as Americans?
No, we aren't.
Okay, good. I had to ask the question, man. I had to ask it, my bad.
Definitely gather like user data, but we
Yeah.
try to comply with every regulations and legal
Yeah.
obligations. But yeah, of course we take data and we use it to.
But it's not stealing and keeping it for their shows, right?
Right. We're not like selling data, user data.
Oh,
or
that's
anything
what I
like
meant to
that.
ask. Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
So you guys aren't selling data at TikTok.
Right. Exactly.
Okay. Damn. So you've done your goals, right? Or accomplished a decent amount of your goals.
Been pretty successful in my career, and yeah, I'm happy where I'm
You're
at.
young too. He's only
Right.
26.
Right.
And talking about goals, I do have a goal of hitting 1 million subscribers before the end of the year. And once I hit 1 million subscribers, I'm genuinely trying to spend a day with Greg Heffley. He was one of the key elements in my childhood. We pulled the shotties in the movies, of course. So Greg Heffley, as in Zach Gordon, calling you out. And also, guys, I'm spending a day with the Google software engineer. I don't know what to expect.
Especially since there's still unanswered questions like how much money do software engineers make? Are they happy with their jobs? And is the largest search engine in the world stealing our information? We're here, San Diego, Google. He's been working for like 3 hours. I woke up late. Damn, they got beach volleyball. They be getting tree good here. Oh, I see you. Turn around. Other side. Other side. 360.
He's right behind me, isn't he?
Yeah, I know I'm pretty late, but it's...
No, you're fine.
You know, it's funny. Technically, you're my boss.
I guess so, yeah.
Because YouTube is...
That's right.
Oh my God. Sorry.
It's one of the like snack bars or anything.
Oh, yeah, thanks.
You want to get some any cookies?
Thank you.
If I can drink.
Like water. This is from like Fiji or something?
Those are new though.
Water tastes very good. Rich water. Not gonna lie, from the start, this was already better than the TikTok office, and even the bathroom was insanely nice.
Bro, these are good bathrooms.
Yeah, that's sunscreen.
Bro, dang it.
Kid, he's my camera guy for today. I'm testing him out.
Yeah, this is a very nice bathroom.
Yeah.
I gave it a 4.5 out of 5.
The cave.
The cave.
Exclusive entry or what?
Oh wow. Damn, I'm trying to work for Google.
Every office has like a different theme.
What's the one in LA?
So there's like a Harry Potter room.
In LA?
Yeah, there's like a Harry Potter room.
Bro, no way.
There's a special water up in here. I don't know if Google plays like that.
Do you come here every day or is it like whenever you have meetings? 3 days a week. So like Mondays and Fridays are work from home.
We're doing B-roll shots of him sleeping. Sorry, guys. So any of you guys out there, you guys want to work for Google? This is the video to watch.
Damn, I like the art. Damn, this machine is nice. I wonder how much this costs. Costs expensive.
We have a barista too downstairs. Yeah,
Damn.
she's cool too.
We'll only, get a little bit if you get a little bit. We don't condone special drinks here. Don't show this, bro. Not kidding. That's pretty good, actually. My camera guy is getting special apple juice. I have to call it that because my boss gets mad if I call it something else. Rating for the beer, 5 out of 5. For privacy reasons, we can't really show other employees, but there's other employees just like chilling right now. Pretty young demographic, actually.
I mean, Google as a company is only 25 years old.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, ping pong? That's cool. Are you good at this or not?
No, not at all.
Me neither. I'm not good at it.
You gotta work on that eye-hand coordination.
Damn.
Sorry guys, don't. I'm not good at ping pong. After this, to make things even better, Google employees get free food. So we went there.
That is crazy. Free food.
Man,
I want to work at Google now.
I expect free food. Well, they don't require like college degrees.
Wait, what? Did you get that? I didn't know that.
Yeah. I think it was Google who announced it a while ago. The number of people coming in from like non-traditional backgrounds too these days is a lot higher.
It's a lot higher.
You can learn like almost anything you want on the internet these days, right? Always focus on like what you know, not any kind of degrees or certifications.
So now we're gonna get food. We're really hungry.
Did we just order it right here?
Yes.
Hi.
You guys have the credential?
That's for us?
Yeah.
I guess
that looks good actually.
This is free, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I picked the wrong job.
Oh, pickleball.
Pickleball, volleyball.
That's crazy, bro. These guys work at one of the nicest places of all time. And this is apparently a smaller office. So you started coding 5 years ago, or was it more?
Oh, way more.
Right.
I've been coding for 10, 12 years at least.
You mentioned you studied at Cal Berkeley for econ? No. Econ.
Biology and economics supplementary.
Definitely not a computer science major. What got you into coding, since that wasn't really your background?
I worked at a summer camp teaching kids how to make Minecraft mods. Like some kids really love it and like get it, and then some kids really like struggle. There was this one girl who was just an absolute, she was just a genius. Like she just understood it.
Also, guys, the taco slapped. Shit, I almost fell down. Did you get that? I'm suing Google. Sorry, Sergey. We're suing your ass. No, I'm kidding. Wait, so is Googler actually like a term for free guys?
Yeah, for sure. If you're new to Google, you're a Noogler. If your parents are Googlers, you're a Googlet. If you're gay, you're a Gaygler. I think if you're...
Right now, we are in this is the common area?
What we were looking at earlier, those are called micro kitchens. This is the
Oh,
cafe.
this is like the main, yeah, because it makes sense. Oh, go ahead. Sorry about that.
Bro, this food is insane. Look at this.
Normally I eat.
Oh, this,
Yeah.
okay, so this is what you normally
This
get.
is what I normally.
I'm like a puppy right now.
Yeah, right.
Damn, bro. Man, you living the life, bro.
Yeah, I try to. This is the food I try to avoid.
Oh, you try to avoid?
I try to avoid this.
The fruit?
No, that.
Oh,
that.
the chocolate? Oh, is that the cafe? The one that you're saying?
Let's go. I haven't seen you with glasses yet.
They're prescription, but I never wear them here.
How are you feeling, by the way? I heard you were out sick.
I had COVID.
Just
Are you
a tuxedo
gonna
moment.
do your usual?
I'll do the usual, yeah.
Okay.
So, Sergey, how's the wrist for you, bro? I see you, bro.
You know I got that skibbity riz.
It's pretty cool seeing, the Googlers interacting. It's like a chill vibe.
The thing with like coding, it can't be very like high stress. Like Wolf of Wall Street, like people shouting.
I'm not gonna lie, that's what I thought.
Google was one of the first companies to be very casual and like pioneer, kind of just like, I mean, you see how I'm dressed.
Yeah, it's very, I can't show them because of privacy reasons. I'm wearing a Star Wars shirt. I don't feel any different, which is pretty cool. Camera guy, how's the ice cream doing?
I accidentally mixed lemon with chocolate. So
Oh, really?
Look like a fat ass.
Wait, rate it.
Don't worry about it.
Honestly, it's quality.
After this, Sergey wanted to show us what he does as a software engineer at Google.
Google needs to take in a lot of like data, and I need to make sure that all that happens smoothly so that when we do stuff with it, analyze it, show it back to users, there aren't any problems that come up.
Not gonna lie, he wouldn't show me an example because it's top secret, which reminded me of Google stealing information. I don't know if you're legally allowed to say this. Is Google taking our information?
I mean, okay, so like Google's products and the technology is trying to learn from the users to get better. As far as like more of the conspiracy stuff, I am just an average employee at Google. Like I wouldn't be able to speak to that. But again, like I think the truth is out there. Might have to dig deeper.
That's not my job.
It's not my job either.
Media trained, I like that. Okay.
Media trained.
Damn, nice car, man.
Thanks. It's the original Transformers Bumblebee.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Well, I'm shocked you guys are like old enough to remember. Were you guys even born?
Yeah, we were like five. Yeah. It's funny. People say that I look like a Shia LaBeouf.
You do actually give me a little bit of Shia LaBeouf.
Alright guys, right now he's putting in gas and we're headed to his home. That Google office, he literally said it was the smallest one or one of the smallest ones. Bro, Ethan.
It's a quality place, bro. I was sucking my fingers, bro.
A little too much description, but yeah, it was really good.
However, his lack of explanation on what he does for Google makes me wonder his actual lifestyle and if he even enjoys being a software engineer. What is this? This is cool. You're a collector, eh?
Kind of, yeah. I mean, these are all from like different trips. I went to Russia. This I got from India. This I got Switzerland. This is the town I grew up in Spain.
How many countries have you traveled to?
Probably like 50 plus.
If you want to be a software engineer, you get to travel 50 countries. What's your closet look like? Damn, bro, it's way better drip than me.
And then I got like my suits and all my
Dude.
like party stuff.
Yeah. Alright. The ladies are impressed with this, huh?
I don't know if they care or not. This is more for me. Like I enjoy like the vibes. Normally it's nicer. But
Okay, yeah, so you guys they're fishing, alright. It's Tony Stark.
what do you think?
Rate this.
Oh, it's shockingly elegant for Iron Man.
I have a couple other Iron Man things. Hold on.
Did you make this yourself?
Yeah.
That's really cool. All right. Iron Man. Okay, that's enough cringe.
I have like a whole like super suit closet. I got Black Panther. I got there it is. I added like black light paint to this, so like it lights up.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So at night this looks crazy.
Is that what you show the shotties? So they're like, oh my god. What's the mood that you got? It's like, you know, you bring the shotty over and like, you like my place and stuff. What's like the thing that they're like?
Probably the view, yeah.
Oh my god, wait, this is my channel, I could cuss. Holy shit, that's Comic-Con. You're Batman. Be honest, bro, have you ever got some action on the balcony?
No comment, but what do you think?
Oh shit.
The real question the viewers I think want to know is that if you had a balcony like that, what would you do?
Man, the things, I mean, yeah, this is,
You got the honest answer right there. You saw where his mind went.
This is, we're focusing on you, on software engineering. Oh wow, this is nice.
I do Factor.
Really?
This is sponsored by Fact. No,
this is not sponsored.
This is what the engineers eat.
Wait, actually?
It's what I eat.
Wait. So your aura radiates with me.
What would you rate my aura as?
Your aura?
Yeah.
It would be like.
So is it over 9,000?
Probably like 10 billion or something. Like that. You know what I'm saying?
I expected a Google software engineer to be like glasses, nerdy, Like,
that's mean, but I also thought that.
Yeah.
All right, man.
So what's up?
We're here.
What else
We're here. You do like dominantly the work from home.
Yep.
I'm just curious to see what that looks like. You know? All right. See, this confuses me, bro. Like it should not scare me, but it does scare me.
For this, like I actually used OpenAI's like ChatGPT to help me write this. Like, so it actually generated a lot of the code for this, and then I just modified it so that it did what I wanted.
Okay, yeah, I do have a question.
Yeah.
You just tell the AI to code?
Nowadays, like I use a lot of like AI in my coding. I'll show you like right now. So I'm just gonna be like, hey, can you give me an example of some code that does something interesting? The way you do this then is you take this code, you put it into these 3 different files here, right? When I open this on a web page, this is the simple drawing app that ChatGPT created. So now I can just draw on the web page like this.
So the code is enabling you to draw on this website?
Yeah. You can now tell it like, hey, add a feature that allows me to erase. So now it's giving me like a new iteration. So this HTML now is this code, right? So there's a little more that got added, right?
Can you put a subscribe button in there? Because you should subscribe. Anyone watching this, you're like, I want to become a software engineer. This is it, right? This is just like similar vibes.
I'll say this, like, maybe the interview process has changed. I'm struggling to find a job. It's not necessarily about you. Sometimes just the way the industry is. It took me a year, basically, from like when Google like took an interest in me to like me actually starting.
Man, anyone can do. I mean, okay, not anyone. But
After showing me how he does his work as a software engineer, it was time to ask the hard-hitting questions.
is he actually happy? That's actually what I was thinking. Like, does he enjoy doing this? Are you happy with this job that you have? Like this job at Google?
I'm happy and I'm in a good place. I think a lot of it's a lot of like happiness, like my happiness, I know that's not derived from my job. Like I think I have a really good life overall. I mean, there's really nothing I could complain about in my life. Obviously there's things that I want and things that I don't have yet, but generally I'm like very happy and I try to enjoy like the journey as much as possible. I think a big part of that's having good people around you.
Is it okay if I ask you how much do you make? You can say no.
I mean, it's in the 6 figures.
Above 6 figures.
It's not close to 7 figures, but we'll see. I don't even know what I have to do to like get to that level. You'd have to manage teams or be like a VP or something. If we ever get to a part 3 and we're in like the Mountain View office, you'll see how big it is. You need bikes to get around.
We need a part 3, bro. I'm doing this format where I spend a day with certain people just because I'm genuinely curious and want to film it just to show people like what perspectives you including yourself like live.
Subscribe to his channel too. He posts videos also.
They're fun. They're more like travel videos.
Thanks so much for showing me that like day in the life of what you do. Respects, honestly.
Honest opinions, what do you think about that? I think that's a great deal, yeah. I feel like if you need, quick cash while playing games, like I just think that's such a doable thing in my opinion. On your free time.